What's up, guys? It's your girl Sharnice and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a beat, and also give this video a thumbs up and share with all your friends. I wanted to come here really quickly because another really frequent question that I get on Instagram is how many locks do I have on my head? And I always have this confident answer, but I really had to think to myself, when did I really count my locks and when did I really come up with that answer? So what I'm gonna do here for you guys is actually count my locks on camera. One thing I do want to say is it really is helpful to know how many locks someone might have because you're thinking about how your locks are going to look, but actually everyone's locks are their own individual fingerprint. So lock count is really an arbitrary number. It's kind of like a 5'2" person asking a 5'9" person if they also weigh 200 pounds. It doesn't match up. I'm gonna go ahead and count these locks and stay tuned. $23, 18, 22, 28, 23. 28 plus 22 is 60. 50. 28 plus 22 is 50. Plus 18 is 68. 68 plus 23 is 91, right? 68 plus 23 is 91. 11, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, all right, guys. So I have 91 locks. So basically, I've been lying this whole time. My bad. I've been telling everyone on Instagram that I have 92 locks, but I was close enough. I have 91, which makes sense because every time I like braid or twist my hair, there's always like an extra hair. It's not an even amount. It's not a multiple of 3 either. So yo, that really makes sense because even when I do twists, it's never an even amount of locks. Wow. I'm glad I did this, guys. Now everyone knows that I have 91 locks. Again, just because I have 91 locks does not mean that this is what 91 locks will look like on you. It is just kind of this arbitrary number. Everyone's hair is different. Everyone's hair density is different. Everyone's locks mature differently. But just so that everyone knows, my lock count is 91, not 92. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.